Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I shape this baby food recipe for 6 to 1 year? So this is the biscuit. I say let me show you the milk. This is the milk. I'm not promoting this milk, so I'm just showing you. Maybe if you have powdered milk, you can also use it as well and add it water to it. So me, I'm using the liquid milk, and that is the milk I use for my baby. She doesn't like to take feeding bottle, so this is the easiest way that I make her eat. So you just dissolve it properly. All my returnees, I really appreciate. Please stay with me, keep watching my videos until I pass back to my normal way of uploading. I'm having some issues. Once the issues are sorted, I'll come back. So I heated it on the microwave just for 1 second. So yeah, it's ready. Your baby can consume it easy, just as you are saying. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps. Bye. See you in my next one. Enjoy.